I think we're getting into the water early here, but it is very confusing what's happening here. I don't know. From what I'd gathered, I think we're going in the water early. It's about 5:30 in the morning right now, so sun's just coming up. That's nice.
Priority numbers W26, W27, W.
Just waiting for our number to be called so we get sent out there. It's definitely chaotic here. Look at all sorts of There's one right there. Yeah, it's like there. You see it right there.
아니 얘네가 준다니까. 원래 그 맛을 준다고.
Yeah, these guys are chumming in the water here. Guys in the white. Now where are these sharks? So yeah, that was pretty cool. Whale sharks. So now I've swam with whale sharks and nurse sharks. Next, great whites maybe. All right, shower done. Now I'm absolutely drenched. So yeah, that was pretty good. Well, you get real close to them, like you could, you know, that's why they say don't touch them, because you do get super close to them. So, but they're huge, but very docile. They don't have a care in the world regarding you, that's for sure. I think next we're gonna go to some waterfall. I don't know the name, but hopefully it'll be impressive. Okay. Tumalog Waterfalls. There's not a terrible amount of water, but it looks nice the way it comes down like that. Or the kind of, yeah. Oh, pretty impressive, man. I need to go up here. Everyone wants to like sit at that perch there. Get the perfect photo. We'll get some. Oh yeah, you get the little rainbow right there too. The sun hitting it. I don't think I'll go in. I'm just starting to get dry, so. But I think we're going to another place that we snorkel for sardines or something. I don't know, or turtles. Yeah, here is the fish bath. I think they nibble at your feet. I don't know if I see any fish in them. In there. Oh, really small fish. Tiny fish. 배가 부르긴 한다고. 저리가 생각보다 외국인 분이 좀 약간 달려드는 것 같아. You good? Yeah. Down there. Huh? Yeah, you go get it? Okay, thank you. Yeah. Right there. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, brother. Yeah. I'm not losing my sun hat. It's a matter of life and death. The sun is powerful. I got myself lathered in sunscreen now, so. Do your worst. Shouldn't jinx it like that, really. Got the food. I am hungry. This one here? You good? Yeah, okay. I got it. Thank you. Wow. Woo. Good boy. See what we can spot in the water. Oh, dude. Oh. I wish I didn't have this vest so I could go under deeper. There's tons of them down. They're so heavy. Dive deeper. I'm not good at it at all. You see the guys who work here, they go way down there. It's probably my breathing. I don't know what I'm doing down there to breathe. life jacket. You get used to it, and then when you don't, it's tucking me up. I'm tired. Turtle right underneath the boat. He's just cruising. Yeah, and I'm almost drowning. Thank you, sir. It's a hot one. So I got coffee. So that was pretty fun. I like that. Saw sea turtles, various fish. The school of sardines was quite cool. Yeah, I forgot how much I like snorkeling. So much simpler than diving. Perfect. Thank you so much. Really bizarre strawberry lemonade. It's kind of like an oxymoron to have lemonade, but a different fruit. Shouldn't it all be lemons? But I think it's just lemonade, like flavored, yeah. There's like lemons in it, like real lemons in it. So, pretty good. Oh, that is so good. Hitting the damn spot. It's got kind of the tanginess of lemonade, but then that sweetness of strawberry. Oh, that's good. Goodbye. Look how clear that water is. Today was a good day. And we were up so damn early, it feels like we've done a day's worth of stuff. But it's like not even 2 p.m. But let's get out of here. Thank you, sir. Oh, I'm so done. A 15-hour tour. A 15-hour tour. I need a cup of coffee though. I got a pounding headache. Yeah, perfect. Thanks so much. Yeah. I'm so tired. It was a 15-hour tour. A 15-hour tour. Like, who decides I want to go on a 15-hour tour? It's too much. It's too much. Yeah, that was a long drive. Long drive. Oh, I'm toast. Literally, I got a little red right here. It wasn't so bad. It was a covered boat, so Yeah, boy. All right.